Good morning, students. We were doing the for loop, so let us do one more question related to that. This is question number 2 on page number 98. Create a class to print all perfect squares from 1 to 100. I hope you understand what is a perfect square. A perfect square is a number whose square root if we take, then that gives a number, that is square root of 4 is equal to 2. So 4 is a perfect square. Let us do this question. Class, suppose question 2, public static void main. We'll take some variables such as int I, sqt, one variable, and we'll print a message. This is the heading in the output. Perfect squares from 1 to 100. This is not compulsory, but we are printing the heading so as to show the output very good. Now we'll apply the for loop. For I is equal to 1, I is less than equal to 100, I plus plus. So we are applying a loop starting from 1 ending up till 100 and I plus plus, so it will count from 1 to 100. Now we'll find out the square root of each number. We have taken a variable sqt is equal to int of mat dot sqrt of I. This will find out the square root of each number from 1 to 100. Means every time it will find out the square root of each number. We'll apply the if condition to check whether it is a perfect square or not, as sqt into sqt equal the number that is I. And if it is okay and if it is true, then we'll print system.out.println. We'll print the number as I, and then we'll close this for loop, and then this public static void main, and then this class. Now let us see how does this program works. First of all, we have taken class public static void main, I a variable sqt. First of all, system.out.println perfect squares from 1 to 100. So the output will be, let us see what is the output. So output will be perfect squares from 1 to 100. Okay, this is the heading which is shown on the screen, so that it is clear what is going to be printed next. For loop is starting from here 1 to 100. So first of all, the value of I is 1. I is 1, that is the number is 1, and it will come down, it will find out the sqt, that is square root. How it will find out the square root? Math.sqrt. This is a function which find out the square root of a number. So mat dot square root of I. So mat dot sqrt of I means the square root of the number 1. So what is the square root of number 1? That will be stored in a variable sqt, and we will find out the integer of that number. So the value of sqt will be mat dot sqrt of I, that is 1. So square root of 1 is 1. If sqt into sqt, sqt into sqt means 1 into 1 is equal to I, is equal to I. What is I? 1. So if this condition is true, in our situation, in this example, this 1 is equal to 1. So 1 is a perfect square. So 1 will be printed on the screen. So what will be printed on the screen? SOPLN I. That is 1 is printed on the screen. Now this loop will go again here. The value of I will become plus plus. That is the value of I will become 2. I is equal to 2. Now it will again find out the square root of a number, that is mat.sqrt of I. What is mat.sqrt of I? That is the square root of the number 2. So what is the value of this? The value of mat.sqrt of I is, that is 2 is approximately 1.4. sqt is equal to 1.4. And then we'll find out the integer of it. Now what is the integral part of this? This is the integer part of this, and this is the decimal part of this. So the sqrt will be integer part of this, that is 1 will be stored in this. Then it will check the condition. If sqt into sqt, that is 1 into 1 is equal to I, is equal to I. What is I? 2 is I. So this condition is true or false? This is condition is false. So this will not be printed on the screens. SOPLN, this will not be done because this condition is false. So this 2 will not be printed on the screen. Next time it will go, it will become 3. So it will again check, 3 is also not printed on the screen. Next time it will become 4. So again it will find out sqrt of 4, that is, suppose I will become 4. So sqrt of I is sqt is equal to 2. And integer of 2 is also 2. So if sq2 into sq2, that is 2 into 2 is equal to I. What is I? I is 4. That is 4 is equal to 4. This condition is true. So I is printed on the screen, that is 4 is printed on the screen. In the similar way, all the perfect squares up till 100 are printed on the screen.